There's a baby bird and it fell out of the nest and it needs my help and I'm gonna go help it. Oh my God. Where are you at? Hi baby, I know, I'm so sorry. Oh, I know. Oh, I know, I'm so sorry. I'm here to help you. I'm actually here to help you. I'm here to help you, I promise. I'm here to help you. You know what? Please don't get run over. It's okay. It's okay. I'm so sorry. I know I'm gonna keep chasing you. I'm so sorry. Don't go on the road. Don't go on the road. Don't go on the road. I know. It's the worst. Oh, I know I'm just the worst. I'm sorry. I know. Oh yeah, go in there. Go in there. Oh good. We got you trapped now. It's okay. Gotcha. Oh, I know. I'm the worst. Okay. Where are you at? I know, baby. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Please don't go underneath that. Please don't fit underneath that. Oh, you can. Can you go back in the corner? Can you go in the corner? Not that corner. Oh, not that corner. Not that corner. Can you come in the corner, please? Just this corner. There you go. It's okay. Just this corner. Please don't go anywhere. Oh, there you go. Oh, no. Come back. I know it's the worst. I'm so sorry. I'm just trying to get you back in your nest. Come on. Oh, no. No, please don't go anywhere. Please don't go anywhere. I know. Come on, it's okay. I know. I'm the worst. I know. It's okay. I'm sorry. I'm going to put... Oh. Is this not your tree? Oh. I don't know. It's like...
Looks like a mockingbird.
Is it?
Oh my goodness.
Oh, I feel so bad. If it could fly, I would just let it go, but it can't. I know. I just need a nest to put him in. I'm sorry. I don't know what to do. I know. I'm so sorry.
Rogers Wildlife.
No.
Rogers is a place where you actually have to take the birds.
Okay.
But it's Rogers Wildlife for birds. I mean, specifically for wild birds.
Okay.
And it's out of town a little bit.
Okay.
But if you look it up on your internet, you'll find it.
Rogers?
Yes.
Okay, done. Because I'd rather just give him to someone.
Yeah.
Okay, if I...
They'll take care of it.
Thank you. Can you go back up here? Where's your nest? Sorry, I'm in your way. I'm trying to get this bird back in the nest, and I don't know how to do it. Okay, I'm gonna call somebody. Okay. I'm so sorry. I just don't know what to do, and I don't want you to die. I know, it's the worst. Here, go into this little hut. Oh, shit. Don't go outside. Oh, hi, birdie. I'm so sorry. Okay. I don't know what to do. We're putting you in a cup. Okay. Well, come here. I know, it's the worst, isn't it? Oh, shit. There's so many places you can crawl now. Well, at least I know you're safe. I don't know what to do. Okay. I know what to do. Putting you in this. There you are. Okay, let's go. I found you a nest. Where'd you go? Oh, shit. Come here, buddy. I know it's the worst, isn't it? It's the worst. Come on, get in there. Okay, I got him. Okay, so we're gonna put him up in those little, where are they at? Those. These. It's like a nest. Okay, let's go. Okay, the reason I'm doing this is because I don't want him on the ground, because he's either gonna get run over by a car or something worse. So look, this is what we're gonna do. Mama's in here. There's a baby. There's a baby. You're welcome. Okay, I feel better. Oh my God. I'm just gonna die. Don't you fall out of that nest. Okay, I have no idea what I looked like doing that, but I could not let that little bird just sit there on the ground. It was like hopping around the tree. It was so sad. But now he's got a big old nest. Thank goodness for the flowers that aren't there. Oh my gosh, because he was almost there. He has his little fledgling feathers. Oh my gosh. I feel so much better. I could not have driven away like that. Oh man. That was nice. That felt nice. Chaotic, but it felt nice. I love you, and I'm glad you're here.